Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest leaks, rumors and insider info on the hottest tech. Today we're diving into something huge, Samsung's next flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You might not be thinking about it right now, but trust me, Samsung is, and so should you. Let's get into the juicy details of what this beast might have in store for us. Ready? Let's go. Samsung's been flexing its AI muscles lately, and with the S25 Ultra, expect that trend to go next level. AI-driven features, especially in the camera and performance departments, are likely to dominate again. Could this be Samsung's chance to beat Apple at their own game? Only time will tell. But let's break down some of the highlights we know. Let's talk cameras. Samsung's Ultra models have always been about that monster camera setup. And the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be no different. Early rumors suggest that the 200-megapixel main camera is sticking around, but the upgrades? That's where it gets exciting. Word on the street is that the ultra-wide lens will jump from 12 megapixel to a staggering 50 megapixel. That means clearer, crisper shots with more detail, even in low light. And it doesn't stop there. We're also hearing whispers about a possible new feature for the telephoto lens, something called variable capabilities. What does that mean? Imagine smoother zoom transitions with more control, especially when shooting video. That could make the S25 Ultra a serious contender for best camera phone of 2025. Next, let's dive into the design and display. Rumor has it that the S25 Ultra is going for a sleeker, curvier design, the thinnest Ultra device, yet at just 8.4mm thick. Despite the thin frame, the display is rumored to grow to 6.9 inches, giving you even more screen real estate without making it feel bulky. Oh, and let's not forget about brightness. The S24 Ultra already hit an impressive 2600 nits, so we wouldn't be surprised if the S25 Ultra pushes that even higher. Now, about the brains of this beast, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be powered by the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. And if the early benchmarks are anything to go by, this chip could match or even outperform Apple's A18 Bionic, especially in multi-core tasks. Imagine smoother multitasking, faster gaming, and AI capabilities that blow your mind. And speaking of power, there's good news on the RAM front too. Leaks are suggesting that the S25 Ultra could bump its RAM up to a massive 16 GB, which is perfect for all the multitasking and AI processes we'll be running. Combine that with faster UFS 4.1 storage speeds, and this phone will handle everything you throw at it, and then some. One thing that won't be changing much: the battery. The S25 Ultra is rumored to stick with the 5,000 mAh capacity we've seen before, but thanks to the improved efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, we might see better battery performance overall. Samsung is also sticking with 45W charging. So no major upgrades here, but honestly, 45W is still plenty fast. Of course, we can't forget the software. The S25 Ultra will come with Android 15 out of the box, layered with Samsung's latest One UI 7, and with Samsung investing heavily in AI. Expect more AI-driven features integrated into the UI. There's even talk that Bixby might be getting a generative AI update, finally making it more useful in everyday tasks. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already saw a price jump to $1,299. So will Samsung keep that going with the S25 Ultra? Rumors are mixed. But some analysts predict that the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could drive the price even higher. We'll just have to wait and see. As for the release date, if Samsung follows its recent pattern, we could see the S25 Ultra as early as January 2025, but any earlier, and it might collide with CES. Either way, mark your calendars for a 2025 launch. So, what do you think? Are you as excited for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra as I am? With all these upgrades, it's shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphones we've seen. Hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated with all the latest rumors, leaks, and news on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.